Meaning of glocalization.
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 Glocalization. Glocalization is a term that describes the process of adapting global products or services to meet local needs and preferences. It refers to a strategy that seeks to balance globalization and localization by combining the benefits of both. The term is particularly relevant in an era of increased cross-border communications and trade, where companies seek to expand their reach into new markets while recognizing the unique cultural and social factors that shape consumer behavior. In short, glocalization aims to achieve global reach while maintaining local relevance and sensitivity.